Welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet Tips and Tricks. Today, we're going to be opening up a store-bought bagged turkey. We're going to start by cutting the netting with scissors. That's the only part you want to cut with the scissors, because there's a real easy trick on the bottom of the bag. Don't cut that top piece with the metal ring around it, because that'll just make life difficult. If you happen to have a bowl underneath it while it's defrosting, which you should, you might want to drain it at this point. Start by taking off the bag that holds the turkey in place, and then as you do that, flip it upside down so that the butt is nice and up, and then you'll see at the bottom it looks like what are little rips, but those are actually a bit of finger holes where you put your finger in and you pull them directly to either side, and it rips it right apart, as I will show you right now. Get a good grip, get a good pull, rip it, and there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everybody else in between, Do-It-Yourself Gourmet, this is how you open up a turkey without a whole lot of muss, fuss, mess, or anything in between. Happy holidays, and we'll see you next time.